Good morning, students. In this class of arithmetic, today we'll solve question number 10. The question is, circle the smallest of the three given rational numbers. These three given rational numbers are minus 8 by 18, 9 by 18 and minus 11 by 18. So in this question, what are you seeing? These denominators are same, that is 18. So in this case, we compare only the numerators. Among those three numerators, we have to choose the smallest one, and the smallest numerator is minus 11. So the smallest, circle the smallest, we should not circle the smallest rational number. So here the smallest rational number equal to minus 11 by 18. Roman number 2, that question is 7 by 9, 9 by 11, 11 by 13. In this, what I is saying, all these denominators are different, so we'll take LCM of 9, 11 and 13. So in this way we get the multiplication 9 into 11 into 13. So 99 into 13. We are getting in this way also we can multiply, that will be easy. 11 3 is 33 and 11 1 is 11 and 3 14 into that 9. So equal to 9 3 is 27, 2 9 4 is 36 and 2 38, 3 9 1 is 9 and 3 12. So we have 1287 as the LCM. Now we choose the first fraction, that is 7 by 9, equal to, by which number you will multiply 9 to get to 1287, that is 11 into 13. 11 into 13 equal to 143. So we multiplied it by 143. Numerator should also be multiplied by 143, and in this way we are getting 7 3 is 21, 2 7 4 is 28 and 2 30, 7 1 is 7 and 3 10. 1001 by this became 1287. Take the second fraction, that is 9 by 11, equal to, this 11 should be multiplied by 13 into 9, that is 9 3 is 27, 2 9 1 is 9 and 2 11, and this 9 should be multiplied by 117. So this became equal to 9 7 is 63, 6 9 1 is 9 and 6 15, 1 9 1 is 9 1 10 by this is 1287. Then the third fraction is 11 by 13. This 11 by 13 is equal to 13 should be multiplied by 11 into 9 means 99. So numerator will also be multiplied by 99, and in this way we are getting this multiplication as 11 9 is 99, 9 11 9 is 99 and 9 108 by 1287. So now we are getting these three denominators are same. So we will compare the numerators. Which one is the smallest numerator? That is 1001. This is the smallest numerator. While this is not the real fraction, this is the equivalent fraction. Real fraction is 7 by 9. So 7 by 9 is the smallest fraction. We should circle this fraction. In this question 10.5, these three fractions are minus 8 by 13, minus 8 by 12 and minus 8 by 11. So we find the LCM of these three. LCM of 13, 12 and 11. We get 13 into 12 into 11 equal to 12 3s are 36, 3, 12 1s are 12 and 3, 15 into 11, that is equal to 11 6 is 66, in hand 6, 11 5 is 55, 55 and 6 61, 6 11 1 is 11 and 6 17. So this is the LCM 1716. Now we use the first fraction, minus 8 by 13. Now you decide by which number you will multiply this denominator to get 1716. So except 13, what is left? 11 and 12. So we will multiply this 13 by the multiplication of 11 and 12. That is equal to 11 2 is 22, 2, 11 1 is 11 and 2 13. So numerator should also be multiplied by 132, and in this way we are getting the multiplication as minus 8 2 is 16, 1, 8 3 is 24 and 1, 25, 2, 8 1 is 8 and 2, 10, by 13 2 is 26, 2, 13 3 is 39 and 2, 41, 4, 13 1 is 13 and 4, 17. We got this LCM. Now we take the second fraction, that is minus 8 by 12. Now you decide by which number you multiply 12 to get this LCM 1716. Those numbers will be this 13 and 11. So we multiply these two. 11 3 is 33, 3, 11 1 is 11 and 3 14. So numerator should also be multiplied by 143. Now you write the multiplication. 8 3 is 24, 2, 8 4 is 32 and 2 34, 3, 8 1 is 8 and 3 11, minus by this became 1716. Now we take the third fraction, that is minus 8 by 11. We take the denominator 11. By which number we will multiply this 11 to get this LCM? Those numbers will be 13 and 12. Multiply those two. 12 3 is 36, 3, 12 1 is 12 and 3 15. So numerator should also be multiplied by 156. Multiply 8 6 is 48, 4, 8 5 is 40 and 4 44, 4, 8 1 is 8 and 4 12, by 11 6 is 66, 6, 11 5 is 55 and 6 61, 6, 11 1 is 11 and 6 17. So we have these three equivalent fractions. Among these three equivalent fractions, we are seeing these denominators are same, so we will compare only the numerators. Among these, the smallest numerator with the minus sign will be 1248. So this became the smallest fraction, but this is not the real fraction. This is the equivalent fraction. The real fraction is here, minus 8 by 11. So we should circle this minus 8 by 11. Minus 8 by 11 became the smallest fraction out of these three fractions. Now we start question number 11. In this question number 11, we are asked to add these two fractions, minus 6 by 11 and 7 by 11. Since the denominators are same, if you want to take LCM, the LCM will also be 11. So we can write LCM of 11 and 11 is equal to 11. Now we take the LCM. Once we write this in this form, 6 by 11 plus 7 by 11 is equal to, LCM became 11. Now we divided this LCM by this denominator. So 1 into minus 6. Minus 6 into 1. Now this plus will come here. We divided this LCM by this denominator. We got 1. 1 into 7. 7 into 1. So we write this minus 6 plus 7 by 11. We got 7 minus 6, 1 by 11. This became the addition of these two. Now the second question is minus 7 by 29. Minus 7 by 29 and what is minus 11 by 29. Minus 11 by 29. So directly we can take LCM 29. Now we divided this LCM by this denominator. We got 1 into minus 7 or minus 7 into 1 plus, because we are asked to add, so we will give here plus. Again we divided this LCM by this denominator we got 1 into minus 11. So in bracket you write minus 11 into 1. So what are you getting? Minus 7 plus minus 11 by 29. And in this way your addition became minus 18 by 29. Then now question number 4. In question number 4, the question is 7 by 13 and 5 by 65. So we take LCM of 13 and 65. We are getting the LCM divisible by 13, 1, 5. So that is equal to 13 into 5 equal to 65. So LCM became 65. So 7 by 13 plus 5 by 65 equal to LCM 65. We divided this LCM by this denominator. We got quotient to 5. 5 into 77. 7 into 5. This plus came here. 65, 1 is 65. 1. So 5 into 1. And in this way we got 7 5s are 35 plus 5 by 65. So your fraction became 40 by 65. We can change this in the simplest form. We can change this in simplest form. That will be 5 8 ja 40, 5 13 ja. So this answer became 8 by 13. Remaining I left for you to solve. Now question number 12. Question number 12. Subtract the first rational number from the second rational number. Those two rational numbers are given in Roman number 1 as minus 4 and second is minus 8 by 11. Minus 8 by 11. And is not printed in middle, so we should not write here. Here comma is given in the question. Subtract the first rational number, this one, from second rational number, this one. So at first we write the second rational number, minus 8 by 11. Then subtraction means minus. We subtract minus 4, that you write in bracket, because these two signs should not be used together. Now LCM is 11, 1 minus 8, minus 1 11 ja 11 minus plus 11 4 ja 44. So 44 minus 11 is equal to 36 by 11. This became the subtraction of these two rational numbers. Question number 12 1. Now Roman number 2. In Roman number 2, what is these two rational numbers are 3 by 8 comma minus 5 by 18. So LCM of 8 and 18 we find here, divisible by 2 4 ja 2 9 ja. So that became equal to 2 into 4 into 9 equal to 72. Now you write 3 by, subtraction of the first rational number from the second rational number. So second rational number is minus 5 by 18. Now subtract the first, 3 by 8. Write the LCM here, 72. Now divide this 72 by 18. You will get 4. This is already minus 5 into that 4 quotient. Now here is minus, you write minus. 8 9 ja 72, 9 3 ja 27 is equal to minus 20 minus 27 by 72 is equal to 7 2 to 4 minus by 72. This became the answer. One more question we will solve of question number 12. That question is Roman number 5. These two rational numbers are 8 by 23 comma minus 7 by 23. Subtract the first from the second. So second should be written at first. Minus 7 by 23 minus 8 by 23. Denominators are same, so the LCM will be 23. We divided this 23 by this denominator, we got 1. Minus 7 into that 1. This minus will come here. We divided this LCM by this denominator, we got 1. So 8 into 1. Simplification, minus 7 minus 8 by 23 equal to minus 15 by 23. Remaining questions I left for you to do at home.